Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to build a game for Android. I've searched the internet on the topic of Android game development, and most of the tutorials require you to be familiar with the Java programming language. Additionally, they often involve using the Android Native Development Kit abbreviated as NDK. These two can be challenging for beginners to learn, and you might find the code hard to write if you aim to create a relatively complex game. In this video, I will show you an overall workflow for developing an Android game that is easy to learn and can significantly shorten your game development timeline. The main features of this workflow include a lightweight game engine called Cocos Creator and an app generation tool called HBuilderX. First, we will use Cocos Creator to develop our game. Then we will use HBuilderX online packaging function to generate the Android application. Best of all, the entire process is free. There's no need to purchase any software license. Let's get started. Here's the Cocos Creator interface. As you can see, I use the version of 2.2.1. Here's 4 games I have developed before. Okay, let's see the first game. As you can see, the interface is kinda like Unity 3D. And here's the node tree, here's the asset. Here's the audio file, the pictures, and the scene and the script I have written. Okay, here's the script I have written. It's in the Typescript. After finishing writing all the code, you can test whether your game works well by clicking here. It seems like our game is ready to publish right now. To publish the game, you need to click on Project, then Build. Insert your title here. Platform should be web mobile or web desktop. You can choose either of them. You can leave the other settings as default. Click Build. The process will take a few seconds, depending on the complexity of your game. Here we can see that we successfully built the game. To check the building results, we can open the project folder, click Build, then Web Mobile. Here you will find all the files in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript formats. It's a complete HTML web project now. If you upload this folder to a server, you can play the game directly in a web browser. Now we need another tool to compile this web project to an Android application. The tool is HBuilderX. You can download this software on the website, which is free too. I will put the website on the comments below. Here's the interface of HBuilderX. Now click New Project, choose File plus App. You can choose any project name you like. I will use Blackboard Game. Then click Create. Here's the project I've just created. We should open the folder in System Explorer. Then copy all the files from Cocos folder to HBuilderX folder. Okay, then we should choose Publish, Mobile App Cloud Packaging. This feature allows you to package your app using cloud service. so you don't need to install Android NDK or related tools. Then choose the Modify Manifest. We need to create an app ID here. Then you can set an icon. Then we can click Publish again. You can set your own agent package name. Choose Use Cloud Key Store. Then click Submit. Here's an error about address book permission, so we need to go to the manifest file to change the settings. We need to delete the third line and remove this option. Then build again. Okay, the project has been submitted to the cloud server. We should wait for several minutes. Now the building procedure finished. You can see the app file here. You can send this file to your Android device and install it. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.